Hello, friend! The greatest monster truck race of all time will be held in our town tomorrow, and you know what? I think our new fire station wants to take part in these races too. But we need to prepare our fire trucks first. We start the assembly of our fire truck with its cabin. We strengthen the floor by attaching the frame to it. Set the wheels. Now we install the bed of the truck. Now let's place the seats and the steering wheel. Excellent! Now we set the doors. Wait, that's not the right way. And that's not the right way either. Oh, there we go. Both of the doors are on. Don't forget about setting the bumpers. We start with the front one. Then the rear bumper. And for maximum attraction of attention for other road users, we set on the roof of our car a fire emergency light with flashing beacon. Finally, we place the equipment for firefighters in the cabin of a fire truck. Wait, something seems to be wrong. You're exactly right, we're not done. For a monster truck race, it is necessary to replace the suspension and wheels on our fire truck. So, we set a special suspension. And now it's time to set the 4 giant wheels. Whoa, I can't believe how big they are! Hooray! Our fire truck is ready for the monster truck race. Now let's prepare the second fire truck. Let's start. First, we take the base of our fire truck, to which we will attach the rest of the parts. Set the cabin where the firefighters will be sitting, right here. Good job! On the cabin, we set up emergency lights that will signal to the other car riders to stop in case of the fire. Then, we attach the center section with the fire equipment. Near it, there are the front and the rear parts. Between the back and the central part of the truck, we set the huge ladder. What's next? We need to establish a mechanism for turning the crane. With its help, our fire truck can be moved in any direction. Now let's assemble the crane, the ladder, and the hose to make the firefighters be able to get to the highest floors of the buildings to stop the fire. Great job! Now let's set the cabin of our truck onto the end of the crane. For our monster truck race, we will set a new suspension on our fire truck. We also need to change out the small wheels. Let's set 6 monster wheels. Oh, good job, it's ready. The second fire truck is all prepared for the race. Our fire trucks are ready for the monster truck races. Awesome! It's time for a trial run now. Oh, that was great. I think our fire trucks are ready for the race, which we will show you in the next episode of our series. Hey friend! Do you remember that recently our new fire station has been preparing for the big monster truck race? We had gotten 2 monster trucks ready for the big race and held a trial run. Here they are, and they look so different than our normal fire trucks. They're awesome. Today, we will begin to get ready 2 more fire trucks. I am so excited. Let's start. We begin by modifying our first fire engine. We need to replace the suspension and wheels on our fire truck for the monster truck race. So we set a special suspension, and now it's time to put on our 4 big special wheels. Whoa! I can never believe how big they are. Hooray! Our first fire truck is ready for the monster truck race. Now we prepare the second fire truck. So let's begin. We once again set up a new suspension on our fire truck for the monster truck race. We also need to replace the small wheels with big wheels. Even calling them big, that does not tell you how huge they really are. Wow, look at them go on. Done. The second fire truck is ready for the race. Our fire trucks are finally ready to take part in an awesome monster truck race. Super! And now it's time to conduct a trial run. Here are the other 2 monster fire trucks from our new station. Are we ready to start? think our fire trucks are ready for the race. But you'll have to tune in next week to see how it turns out. But for now, my dear... Here, there are 4 fire trucks at the station. Take a look at how different they all are.
Emergency call! Emergency call! There is a trash can on fire. Repeat, there is a trash can on fire.
All right, good job.
Attention all units! Attention all units! House on the outskirts of the city is on fire. Urgently send fire brigades.
We need to hurry. Let's save this house. Great job! We're finished. The fire has been extinguished. Now it's time to go back to the fire station.
Emergency call! Emergency call! Another house is on fire. This time on top of the hill.
It's very hard to drive close to the house. There are ravines and hills all around it.
Urgently send the special fire brigade.
What should we do, friend? How can we get there? Let's choose what fire trucks we will send on the call. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Or number 4. That's right! Number 1 and number 2. Hooray! The fire is put out! Let's take a look at our heroes again. Sad to say, it's time to say goodbye, friend. Come and see me later. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye-bye.